How are you today?
Good.
Welcome to the show. The first thing we have to do is rearrange these given equations to cancel and give us the net main equation in white. We're going to rearrange equation 1, 2, and 3 so that we can cancel the terms on the left and right side to give us this. So we have to keep rearranging and canceling until we're left with this. How do we start? We're allowed to do two changes. We're allowed to reverse the direction of the reaction and to multiply the reaction by some number. You can see we have ethane on the left side, so we want to find where it is and make sure we have that on the left side. So we'll set that up first. So we'll write it. Notice we have C2H4, ethene. Where's the reaction with ethene? Reaction 2. We need to reverse it. So we're going to reverse reaction 2. So far we have just reaction 1. We've reversed reaction 2. To keep note that we reversed it, we use a negative. We'll use reaction 3 to cancel something that we don't want to have in the original equation. In the original equation, we only have 3 molecules, so we don't have any water or any oxygen. And so we'll use this to cancel where we see waters and oxygens in the other equations. We'll see what we need to do based on reaction 1 and 2. So let's check out what we have in reaction 2 so far.
Okay, so there's water and there's oxygen, which we need to get rid of.
We can see that the carbon dioxides would cancel, and some of the oxygens would cancel, and some of the waters would cancel. Reducing the water, we have 2 moles that cancel, and so we'll be left with 1 mole of water on the right side. And reducing the oxygens, we'll have 0.5 left over on the left side. So now we can start to see what we need to do with the equation 3, because we have half an oxygen and 1 water that we need to cancel. Clean this up. We have hydrogen on the right hand side, and that's going to come from reaction 3. So we need to reverse reaction 3. It's the negative of reaction 3. We reverse it because we need to have hydrogen on the right hand side.
Okay.
To cancel the oxygens, we can see we have 0.5 on the left and 1 on the right. Rather than multiplying equation 1 by 2, because we only have 1 ethane, we're going to multiply equation 3 by a half, or 0.5. which would change the numbers in front. So we'd have 1 water, 1 hydrogen, and half oxygen. Now we reduce. So we have our oxygen, which reduces half on the left and a half on the right. And it looks like we have 1 water on the left and 1 water on the right. What are we left with? Our ethane, our ethene, and our diatomic hydrogen. So when we write this out, we can see we will have the original equation. So equation 1 we didn't do anything to, we'll leave that. We reversed equation 2, that's what these negatives are a reminder of. So if we reversed equation 2, we need to multiply enthalpy by -1. So that'll change the sign to a positive. Reaction 3, we not only reversed, we multiplied by a factor of a half. Reversing it, multiply by -1, and we scale it by a half. Finally, we'll grab a calculator and add these up, and that will be the enthalpy of reaction. The enthalpy of reaction comes out 138 kilojoules per mole.
Okay.
That looked complicated.
Yeah, but I get it.
Very good.